So it's time to discuss this golden Bentley. So people went gaga over this year, as it first came in the black and golden one, but now the golden Bentley is finally here, and people just wanted it like those red Ferraris. And I think it's time to unbox this beauty, and then let's discuss the details there. It's time to unbox. Well, that was a clean uncarding, and here's the casting. As you can see, not much detailings at the back or the front tail lamps or the headlights, but Bentley written on the spoiler. Great detailings, a very shiny golden paint, Hot Wheels and number 4 written with Bentley badging. The same on the sides as well. The tires look pretty good, as well as the detailings. And if you can just focus here more with better lightings, you can see some great colors. And as you can see the rear, it's nice, the spoilers, and just underneath it this sort of a Liberty Walks sort of thing. I think this is one of those things that you can get in an NFS game when you just modify and custom your car. But I think apart from that, this looks great, and I think this deserves all the hype that it had this year. People are going to love this casting, and I think they have just outdone themselves. The Hot Wheels have just outdone themselves by putting it in the golden and black one. And I think you just can't top this livery. The black with golden details was also good, but this just outshines everything else. This might just outshine the red Ferraris that I have here in the back. So this was the video, guys, and if you want to see more detailings, let me give you another better look about this diecast here. So here's the video, guys.